Hi everyone, I'm Ring from DMC. Do you need someone to help you manage your Facebook group? You can actually add admin or moderator to help you run online Facebook community group. So in this video, I'll show you how to add Facebook group admin. Group admin and you want to make someone an admin or moderator of your Facebook group, there are some simple steps you can follow. First, you have to click groups on your left hand menu and select your groups. Okay, just click on the groups and scroll down and see your right hand side. There is a member areas. Just click on members. And here, you have to click the three dot icon text, which is this one, next to a person you want to make an admin or moderator. Just click on it and just choose you want to make admin or moderator. So just click on admin. Okay, you have to send an invite to your friends and the person you want to make an admin. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to help us like and share. If you have yet to subscribe, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new videos. See you in the next video.